Conversation between two friends about visiting London.
Hello, David.
Hi, Jane.
I didn't see you last week. Where have you been?
I went on a trip last week.
Really? Where have you been?
We went to London.
I have never visited London. But I want to go. And have put aside 10 days of vacation to fulfill that goal. By the way, who did you go with?
I went there with my family. We wanted to relax and also go shopping.
Sounds good. How long did you stay there?
We stayed there for almost 15 days. We booked a hotel online in advance.
Which places did you visit in London?
We visited the British Museum, Natural History Museum, Buckingham Palace, the National Gallery, London Eye, Westminster Abbey, Tower Bridge, London Zoo, Oxford Street, Piccadilly Circus, Royal Albert Hall, London Transport Museum, Leicester Square, Marble Arch in London.
Wow. That is great. Which place did you like the most there?
I liked many places, but what I liked the most is London Eye.
Who makes travel decision in your family?
Sometimes it's me, and sometimes my wife, who makes travel decisions. Actually, my relatives suggested to go to London, and we decided to go there.
Did you go to Europe?
No, we didn't go there. But I would like to go there next time.
How was the weather there?
The weather has changed in London due to global warming. So sometimes it rained, and sometimes it was sunny day. One day, it was sunny day, but still it was raining.
Did you like the weather there?
No, I didn't like the weather there at all.
Was that your first trip in London?
Yes. It was our first trip in London.
What is the culture like there?
The culture there is mixed, but the people are always busy in their work.
That means people do not have time.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Did you enjoy there?
Yes, I enjoyed there a lot.
Sounds great. Isn't it expensive there? I have heard it is really expensive, London.
Yes, you are right. It is more expensive than here. The hotels are very expensive. Even traveling and food are also expensive.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.